I'm looking for students who want to make a splash.
Students who want to take their ideas into the realm of action.
The fire in the belly.
We think of ourselves as inventors because we're trying to do something that no one else has done before.
Intellectually curious.
To move beyond the classroom.
It's not enough that a student can read a book. Everybody can read a book.
They want to take these ideas into the marketplace.
These are the students.
These are the students.
These are the students.
That's why they come to Northeastern.
As of 2005, universities across the globe have been entered into an intense competition to design, build, and launch a rocket to the edge of space. So far, no one's succeeded. But that's about to change. Let's make history together.